Okay, so since my actual office is a death trap and now the whole world is a death trap, I am working from home. And I don't know if you've ever worked from home for an extended period of time, but the sleep tail that you get, is hard to shake unless you, I don't know, maybe do something like this.
Beat the devil out of it.
So I've been trying to keep my hands busy. You've seen some videos, I've been making some notebooks, but I'm also doing little projects like I had a pallet coaster that was unassembled, I don't know why, for years and years. I finished that off. I've been just trying to keep my hands busy, man. It's, just try to keep your sanity out there, people, please. Everything's weird. I also did this picture of this weird photo. The angle was weird and the drawing is weird. I think it looks great. I've been doing some gaming on my phone. This is a Punch-Out game. It's not that good, but I like the animations. And I've also... I also got... Someone said my name. Online.
Wait, he won't be able to hear you, even though I like it
but
when you go.
I couldn't hear them, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, again, more gaming, handheld phone. I've been, making my own breakfast sandwiches. The hell's that? And now it's time for quarantine thoughts. Did you become your best self over this quarantine? I feel a lot of pressure to become my best self, and I don't know if I am, because I can't even talk. Also, how is this all going to affect the MCU timeline? Is that important? When you sing happy birthday when you're brushing your teeth, when you're washing your hands, who do you sing happy birthday to? And do you extend out the last dear blah blah happy birthday to you? Do you? Because I do. Also, now I say PPE like I've been saying PPE my whole damn life. I don't know how I like that. Also, since this has all been happening, my chair does this sound. Yeah. I'm blaming it on what's going on in the world. Nah, I'm just kidding. My chair was just a little too far back. Okay. Oh yeah, I got my Trump check. So I did a dance. Oh. And then I went to go get some pizza. Alright, we just got some pizza. Gotta make sure you disinfect it. Just kidding, don't do that. It's Snack Corner, the place where we find snacks we might like, or you just watch me put things in my mouth.
The whole house is Snack Corner!
Now for some quarantine wildlife.
Lucy.
Ah, yes. Lucy. A fuzzy couch hamster.
Turn your back on me, hamster.
Also, I spent way too much time outside one day in my, little back patio because it's the only fresh air I've gotten. And I watched this lizard for way too long. I think it was maybe like 20 or 30 minutes. There's cuts in the video because he would stand still for a long time. But I didn't take the camera away from him in case he ran or something, and then I would miss it. So this is pointless, but you gotta do what you gotta do to make the time go by. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta, cause you can't go nowhere. You can't do nothing. You can't go nowhere. You can't go to the movies. You can't go to you can't high five people. And, so I made friends with this lizard, but then he quickly was like, nah, I'm out. You got that cocoa. You know what I'm saying? You got that cocoa, that co-rope. You got that co-rope. A little over a month ago now, I was at Disney World. I know, reckless. Look, this wasn't all happening, so don't get upset with me. But yeah, I went to Epcot and gave me a glimpse into my future. And then I got home and this wasn't my future. But anyway, let's take a look at my future.
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future is green. Your car runs on environmentally friendly fuels, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. Your garden is filled with fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and rocks, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption. Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing a natural carpet. And the beach is never far away, thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the city, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
I think what I have learned through all of this is that you gotta find simple joys to get through. And these are some of my simple joys. The craftsman. But not only the craftsman.
No strings attached to it, no magnetic
It's my life rubbing up against the craftsman. Wait, that sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Look, it's me! Oh, look, it's me right there.
I got my little chest stick right there.
So yeah, I hope you're doing great. I hope you're safe. I hope everybody's healthy. Stay the fuck inside. Roll the thing.